In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete your Ahrefs account. This procedure requires a couple of straightforward steps, but it's important to approach it methodically to ensure everything goes smoothly. First, before jumping into the account deletion process, it's crucial to settle any outstanding balances with Ahrefs. Accounts carrying unpaid balances cannot proceed with deletion. Take a moment to verify any pending payments, whether through your account dashboard, where billing details are likely prominently displayed, or by checking previous payment confirmations. Not only does settling dues keep things tidy, but it also prevents any future billing hiccups or misunderstandings. Once you're certain all dues are cleared, you can proceed with the next steps. Now, let's focus on how to reach out to Ahrefs support to request account deletion. The first method you can use is email. You'll want to send an email to support using your registered email address. This means you should use the same email that you registered your Ahrefs account with. In your email, I recommend clearly stating that you wish to delete your account. It's helpful to include your account details to speed up the verification process, but ensure not to include any sensitive information like passwords. Being direct but polite in your request can also facilitate a smoother interaction. Once you send the email, the support team will likely guide you on the next steps or terms regarding the finalization of your account closure. Alternatively, if you prefer a more immediate form of communication, or perhaps if email is not your go-to method, Ahrefs provides a live chat feature that could be a useful option. To access this, go to the Help Center on the Ahrefs website. Once you're there, look for the live chat option. The live chat can often quickly connect you with a support agent who will assist with your request in real time. Much like the email approach, make sure to mention your intention to delete the account and ensure your registered email is handy for verification. The real-time advantage of using live chat is that any back-and-forth conversation can be handled promptly, minimizing delays. Whichever method you choose, remember patience is key as the support team processes your request. Depending on their protocols and workload, it might take some time to finalize the account deletion process. Rest assured, by following these steps and maintaining communication with the support team, you're well on your way to successfully deleting your account. If any confirmation or additional information is required from your side, the support team will undoubtedly reach out, ensuring you're not left in the dark. This wraps up our guide on how to delete your Ahrefs account. Always remember to double-check everything and ensure smooth interactions with the support team for a hassle-free experience. Thank you for tuning in, and I hope you found this guide helpful.